Hey everybody, Mike Vacchi checking in. Midday update, 5-minute chart. If you watched the webcast this morning, if you know that we were talking about the hourly mid-band, which is your red line here, being the bull-bear line for us today. We wanted to be long above, we wanted to be short below. You got one look at it. And that was right off the open. The opening print, 74.5. That's where we got long, right at the opening print. And they did one little whip down here to 75. It held that area. If you didn't get as good an entry as that, you had to hop back in. But then, Powell spoke and we were off and running. 45.08 was the print. We punched out 20 handles, left a little bit on the table, but late in the month with days and weeks and months already, all the targets made, we left it alone and we did what we want to be doing on a summer Friday because we trade for a living. And that's enjoy the day. You have to take advantage of making good trades and hitting your goals, taking some time away from the desk, away from the screen, clearing your head, and coming back at it. Because if there's no reward, then all you're doing is sitting there staring at 1-minute charts for your entire life, and you have no perspective. Everything is the next tick. And you can take a day like today and you can let the stuff around 4,500 really frustrate you. So I got back to the gym. We messed around with it a little bit at the roundy, and then it looks like 4,500 went support. So I'm not in this right now. It looks like they want to try to walk it up a little bit. I could absolutely see them with the AD at 400 and holding above 400. I could see them walking this all the way up into 330, 345, unless they get a piece of news that really, tries to knock it down. It's a situation where I think the vast majority of the market is off to the beach. And, whether it's the old adage of not shorting a dull market or there's just nobody around to push it down, the main priority of this tape for 10 plus years has been, in the absence of anything, in a vacuum, it likes to go up. So it's bleeding a little bit up to the upside. We'll see where it closes. But the whole day boiled down to where were you when it wanted to interact with the hourly mid-band. So a very good day. And it wasn't a bad week. Monday was a great day. Friday was a great day. Tuesday was dead. There was nothing to do. Wednesday and Thursday, you just had to be opportunistic and not overtrade. So I'll take that. So everybody have a fantastic weekend. Be safe, be healthy, take care. Everybody trading well. And I will catch everybody. The evening webcast obviously will not be tonight. We'll do it Sunday night after Globex opens. So take the weekend. Come join the private Facebook group. See some of the trainings we have in there. Come check out the website. Come check out the chat room. And, be there with us at 9:30 in the morning when our emphasis is the hourly mid-band. And get it in and get it done and have the day parked 500 feet over the center field fence by 10:30 in the morning. And then take the rest of your summer Friday and enjoy it, because that's what my folks are doing. Take care. Be well. Talk to everybody Sunday night.